Welcome to SolidWorks guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about trim command, extend command, split and segment command. So for split and extend command we are going to use this gauge. So you can access trim option from here from command manager and simply go to tools and we have trim option over here as well. You can see trim and extend, or simply press S key on your keyboard and you can access trim option from that shortcut toolbar as well. Simply activate the trim option and it gives you 5 other options: power trim, corner trim, trim away from inside, trim away from outside, trim to closer. So I first activate trim to closer option. If I select any segments or take a cursor near that segments, it's turned into little bit pink. Let's see from here. Press Ctrl Z for coming back. Okay. Once again, activate trim command and go to trim to closest. We can also extend the line by using this trim to closest option. Let's see. If I am going to delete or trim these two lines, and if I want to extend this line till this entity, simply select and drag till next entity, so you can extend the line as well. Simply undo, use another trim option, trim away outside. So for that you have to select one entity or two entity, and if I select these two entity and now I'm going to select this two line, then whatever outside of these two line is going to be trimmed. Same way here, if I'm going to like this and pop in the command again, if I going to select circle, and when I select this line is passing through circle, and whatever the inside it will remain, and whatever the outside of that circle it's going to be trimmed. Ctrl Z for everything back. Now I'm going to another option, trim away from inside. It's totally opposite of previous option. So if I select these two line and then select these two line, whatever inside these two region or these two line is going to be deleted or going to be trimmed. Once again, I'm going to select this circle and then select this line, whatever the inside the circle is going to trim. This one is corner options. So it's keep the corner. So I want to keep the corner over here. Simply press corner and it will going to delete other line. Next one is very important and widely used in SolidWorks, that is power trim. It's my favorite, and mostly the SolidWorks user they are using the power trim. It's very convenient. Whatever the unnecessary entity you want to trim, simply drag it. You can trim anything you want. Or let's say OK. Now I'm going to explain extend command. Simply press extend. If I want to extend this entity, it will be extended to next entity or next line or next circle line. Let's see. If I press here, you can see in preview it's extended up to next entity. Same here. If I draw a line over here, those two lines are going to extend till this line. See, it is also very useful command. For now, I'm just deleting the sketch. Draw simple line and explain you split option. So you cannot find split option over here in command manager. You have to go in tools, in sketch tools, and then split entities. So if you want to split this line into several different lines, then simply press and give where you want to split this entity. Give the point from where you have to split this entity. Simply escape and you can see this line have split in several segments. It's very simple command. Next one I'm going to explain segment. It's currently unavailable. We have to draw sketch for that one. I simply draw circle and you can see if I need a point on all quarter or all quarter of circle, then simply I go to tools and segment command. How many points I want simply 8. If I press the entity, then it's give me 8 different points on every quarter of circle. This one is also useful for generating guide curves for swept and lofted pose element, especially when you have circle or arc or any kind of ellipses in your geometry and you want to draw guide curve which are passing through such kind of geometry, then you need a point to locate guide curve, and that time this command is very useful. So guys, that's it for now. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.